You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words. Two names originally from French. They have a different spelling, but generally the same pronunciation in English. The French pronunciation is Henri with a silent H, Henri, under the name of many French kings. Also, English kings, Henri, Henri. Both spellings have the same pronunciations. Henri, stressed on the first syllable, Henri. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.